Good day everyone! My name is Zag and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you two types of circuits that I use in my cosplay. Let's get to it. Welcome back to our mini crafting table. So for those who haven't really watched our first part of this episode, there is a link on the description. So check it out first for you to know how to apply wire in our LED here with the help of our soldering pen and the soldering lead, which is the thing that will help to apply the wires to our LED. This is the series circuit and this is our parallel circuit. So as you can see, series circuit is way simpler than the parallel because it is mostly common use for some kiddie circuit training in schools. But this is also the most unstable circuit that I know of because one error of this, then everything goes off. I'll show you right now. As you can see a negative charge and our positive charge here, which is everything is inside that goes in the other bulb. So series circuit is just like one circuit flow. Attach the positive and the negative charge for the bulb. But the series is usually used for some basic LED bulbing. So yeah, there we go. It is now attached. Now the positive and the negative part of the other bulb will go here in our battery. Hopefully you can really see because I can't really see it right now. Oopsie daisy. There we go. Damn. Oh, it's so freakishly bright. Okay, be careful. Okay, let me do that again. There we go. This is our series circuit. So as you can see, our series circuit is just simple positive from the other bulb and negative from the other bulb. Now I'll give you an example of unstable, how unstable this circuit is. Bling blong. It is light. So if I remove this, both of them goes off. So yeah, I'm just going to cut this part. There we go. See, it does not light anymore, even though it is connected, because the series circuit is just one flow circuit, and if one has a problem, one bulb has a problem, then everything goes off. One best example of the basic is some, I don't know, some cheap what's that? Cheap Christmas lights available in the market. Anyway, moving on to our parallel circuit. So this is kind of complicated, but this is much more stable to use because if one goes off, the other two lights still, and you can just fix this and ignore the functional parts. So I will let you see what will happen here. Attach that, negative to negative, positive to positive. There we go. So this is our parallel circuit. As you can see, the battery has its main line here. As you can see, this two is our main line, the positive, this red one in the below, and the negative is right above here. So the pros of parallel circuit is if I cut this and this two will still light up. Yeah. So that is the pros of having a parallel circuit. And another one, you can always put switch here in order for you to control this light over here. And also you can always put another main switch in order for you to control everything on your light. So yep, that's everything, basic parallel and series circuits. So I hope you learned from this, and if you learned from this, drop a like from this video, and of course, please subscribe to this channel. And yep, thank you for watching. This has been Zagare, and see you in the next video. Bye!